Hello everyone and welcome back to Piano Lessons with the Kindergarten program. My name is Dennis Wong and this is lesson number 19. Okay, so we have talked about lines and spaces a little bit during Unit 1 and we will repeat some of the exercises that we did during Unit 1 again today. As I've said, the line and space lessons are a bit trickier and they're a little bit longer, but as always, it's completely fine if it doesn't go 100%. You can move on to the next lesson. You can always reach out to me to ask for questions. But yeah, the goal is, again, we want to introduce the concept of line notes and space notes as early as possible so that the kids know what we talk about when we say line or space note, and so that we recognize it when we sight read music together. Okay, so I've prepped some gems here again. I've labeled some gems, but this time I've labeled some pink gems and some green gems here. I've used the green ones for line notes and I labeled the green gems with the letters C, A, and F. And then I have two pink gems here labeled with the letters B and G. So if you don't have colorful gems that you can label, you can use labeled popsicle sticks again, or label little Lego pieces in two different colors, or buttons, whatever you guys have available at home. As I've said, I've labeled and prepped these gems for this lesson, and our first goal is to place these on the piano together. So C, where is the C? Let's focus on the middle C. C is right here. Then we have B, it comes right before C. Then we have A, A is green, it comes right before B. And then before A is G music, which is pink here, and then F is green. So the first thing that we will notice once we're done with that is that we get the pattern of green, pink, green here. So C, B, A, G, F, and we have the pattern of green, pink, green. What could that be for? Well, the green notes are our line notes again, and the pink ones are our space notes. So let's take a look at our exercise for this lesson. And it says line, space, line for the first exercise. And what we could do with the kids is we could color all line notes in green. So C is a line note, there's a line going through it, it's green. Then B, there's no line going through it, this is a space note. Then we have a line note again, a space note, and a line note. So we're stepping down here. We're going from C to B to A to G to F. This is stepping down. And while stepping down, we're going from line to space, line, space, and down to the line. Okay, let's color the space notes in this light pink here. And let's take a look at this, and then let's take a look at our piano. So we will recognize pretty quickly that we're playing green, pink, green, but we're moving down, which is what we've created here with our gems. Let's try to play the first exercise. So C, down to B, down to A, down to G, one more down to F, which is this line note right here. So the next one, let's color it first. Let's color all the line notes in green again. There we go. And what do we notice on the second exercise is that, well, there are no pink notes. That means there are no space notes. So we're skipping from line to line to line to line to line. If you want to, here, you could use some stamps again or use some stickers and mark the skips because you're skipping the pink space notes. And on the piano, we could, for exercise 2, we could take off the pink gems and now we have only the green gems left over, which is to visualize that we're not playing these two, we're skipping these two, we're just going from green to green to green. Let's try this out together. So finger number 1, the thumb goes to the C, then we skip to the A, to the next green one, and my finger number 3 is there. And then we skip one more down to the next green one, which is here, and my pinky is there. Then we skip back up to the one in the middle, which was A, and we skip back up to our C, the middle C. I'll play this one more time. I think this was easy, right? Let's move on to the next one. It says skipping from space to space. So let's color all the space notes for this third and last exercise. So we have all these space notes here, and we have no line notes. So all these notes are pink. Let's move our pink gems back on here, and let's remove our green gems, the line note ones, because all we're playing here are the 2 space notes that we have. And there's a finger number here. It says finger number 2. So left hand, finger number 1, finger number 2, right here. It starts on B. B is here, this pink note. And then it skips down to the next space note, which is our G, and finger number 4 is there. We're skipping finger number 3, and we're skipping directly to finger number 4. And back to 2, and back to 4, and back to 2. So one more time. B, G, B, G, B. All right, very good. So we could try to practice the whole page now entirely without those gems. I'll play it a bit faster now from here to here. Technically, yes, we do have long whole notes here, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. I'm going to play it a bit faster from here to here. That was exercise 1, stepping down, line, space, line, space, line. Now I'm going to play the second exercise. I'm skipping from line to line to line and back up, line, 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 back up, line, line. And now I'm playing the third exercise. We have finger number 2 on B, skipping to 4, and that's it. All right, guys. That is all about lesson number 19. I hope you guys will have no trouble at home practicing this. And if you do, as always, you can reach out to me on our website and use the chat option. Yeah, I hope to see you guys in lesson number 20. That's going to be it.